morning students. Today topic example 3.4. A ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of a multi-story building. The height of the point from where the ball is thrown is 20 centimeter. Height of the ball where thrown is 20 centimeter from the ground. So first one is how high will the ball rise, and second one is how long will it be before the ball hits the ground. Here g is equal to 10 meter per second. Take g is equal to 10 meter per second. Now let here in the y-axis as a see that in vertically to the direction. In first case here, for here we know that v0 initial velocity in this case is plus 20 meter per second. Plus 20 meter per second. When in this situation it ball rise a height and fall downward to the direction in this case. So E is equal to gravity here, acceleration due to a gravity. Okay, acceleration due to a gravity. So A is equal to minus 10 meter per second square, and final velocity V is equal to 0 meter per second at the ground. Lower situation V is equal to 0, touch in this case. So now we are in the guys. So in this case equation is V is equal to V square V0 square plus 2ay minus y0. Here we know that V square is equal to V0 square plus 2ay minus y0. Okay. Now in this case here, final velocity here we know that 0. Okay, final velocity v is equal to 0. Initial velocity plus 20 means 20 square plus in this case plus 2 a minus 10 y minus y0. Simplify this equation. So here we get y minus y0 is equal to distance is 20 meter. Distance is 20 meter. So distance of y minus y0 is equal to 20 meter. This is the first part. How high will the ball rise? Means this is the distance of height from the upward to the direction throw ball, and this distance y minus y0 is equal to 20 meter. Now in the next case, how long will it be before the ball hit the ground? So here two type of in this case method. In this case two type of method. Now in this case, in first method, this total path from A to B and B to C, total path divided in two parts. Suppose first one is A to B, means this one part, and second one B to C. Second part is B to C. For here we calculate time T1 and T2. Time T1 and T2. So in this equation V is equal to V0 plus AT. Okay, V is equal to V0 plus AT. Here we know that final velocity of the ball is 0. Okay, final velocity of ball 0. Initial velocity 20 minus 8 and T. Minus 8 and T, so T1 is equal to 2 seconds. So T1 is equal to 2 seconds. Now the time going from A to B. Now second one portion is B to C in this situation. So next equation is, here we know that y is equal to y0 plus b0 t plus 1 by 2 at square plus 1 by 2 at square, because of ball is free fall from their B point to lower situation. So in this case, acceleration due to a gravity. Acceleration due to a gravity. So in this case, here we know that the acceleration due to a gravity. So y0 is equal to 45. How? Y0 is equal to 45. Here we know that this distance is 25 centimeter. This equation 25 plus, we know that here y minus y0 is equal to 20 meter. So total here y0 is equal to 45. Y0 is equal to 45. So now in this case, final y is equal to 0. Final y, lower point is equal to 0. Now next is V0. V0 is equal to 0. In this case, initial is 0 and A is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. Put this all value 0 plus 45, 0 plus 45 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 10 T2 into 10 T2 square. T2 square, because this term is 0, V0 is equal to now. So final answer T2 is equal to 3 seconds. So total time take from ball A to B and B to C is equal to T1 plus T2 means 5 seconds. T1 plus T2 means 5 seconds. Okay. Now in second part, in next part, second method. In this case, same again equation, same use, y is equal to y0 plus v0 t plus 1 by 2 at square. Now, but here y0 is equal to 25 meter, means this one. Okay. Now next one, y is equal to again 0, lower this equation. v0 is equal to, we have already 20 meter per second and a is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. Minus 10 meter second per square. So in this case, same again. First one is y is equal to 0 is equal to 25 plus 20t plus 1 by 2 minus 10 t square. So again final answer t is equal to 5 seconds. Again t is equal to 5 seconds. This is example 3.4. Now 3.6 and 3.7 in homework. Okay, thank you.